Morning, YouTubers. What's up? This is kind of a weird little deal here. It's a ceramic folding knife, single blade. Blade's about 3 inches. Handle's 4.5 or so. It is sharp. Don't get me wrong. It's got an edge on it. It's got a little flex to it. I wonder how long it'll last. Kind of a little utility type knife. They're $8 a piece shipped on Walmart. I mean, not Walmart, eBay. Walmart might have them though, I don't know. Anyway, I thought I'd show you that. It's kind of a cute little deal. Fiberglass handle. Anyway, have a good day. Stay safe. God bless you. And please subscribe. Thank you. Thank you.